What is up, YouTube world? I thought that was gonna be my last video, but I just want to get this out there, and maybe we should just go ahead and dive into my FXBook. And again, all these are demo accounts. I'm not gonna say that they're live accounts, but the challenge account I'm treating as a live, but it is still a challenge demo account. But anyways, we'll go ahead and dig into the specifics of the MyFXBook, kind of tracking the drawdown. So we'll first look at my first account, GJ Sniper. So last year we traded this and we're up 74%. So we'll go ahead and look here and look at some of the stat sheet here. So first and foremost, we have this here. So obviously this week, we're not getting nothing here, but let's go ahead and use this color here. Got total of 2200 pips. Average win per pip. Average win is 4.3k. Average loss. Lot size I had. Longs. And looking at here, so profit factor we got here, kind of looking at how the count, the growth of the count. I was down and we'll win back. It's not following here, and then we can go climbing up, go back down here, 77%, and then 140% growth. And that's kind of where we're going with this. So the goals, I don't have any goals that went out both this time period. In the last trade, 103 pips, 51, 5 lots. So we could look at the history. We're looking at this here. The lot sizes, where we're at with this. We still have a current trade that's $5,000 in profit. So total we're up, 74%, 35,000. And again, we're just leverage 50-1, and we primarily are just trading GU and GJ. So balance, this is the profit, drawdown. So kind of put our account in high risk, at times 20%, but you consider 20%, that's actually fairly low. Just kind of looking at stat sheet here, and I don't think they list what pairs you trade. We could look at the ground, so we were up, down 24%, and then that's where we came back up and ended the year strong on this demo account. Summary, we can kind of look at this. Here we go. AU, CEU, and GJ. They are the killers of the pack. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the demo account now. So similar stat here, but obviously I did much better here. Currently we have a active trade of 378 pips, 10 lot size, $34,000 in profit right now. That's kind of where our equity was at. Now this is where we're going. So it's a good trade for us right now. I'm gonna leave it open still, but right now that's pretty awesome here. We'll look at the summary again. This account I did a lot better in general. There's a lot of more greens on this side here of the totem pole, but we're getting lots of shares of USD CAD. This is when I was trying to trade every pair that I can and think of, but really again, GJ and GU are the ones I'm looking at again. So we could pick now 960 trades. Could look at the trades. Let's go look at the growth. 12% minus 12% minus 29%, and then now we're up 71%. So you find the right structure, of the price, and you know what you're doing. Holding is another option for you. Now let's go to the best part. Is the we'll do the goat. So this is my demo challenge account. It's not even the challenge account, but it's demo. So this week I'm up 45%. It's because of something I discovered earlier this week that maybe I may enlighten us on this. So 41% this month. I just opened this account. So here We go summary. Look at where we're at. You know, pound CAD, gold. Look at gold. Gold is 27,000 of profit. You know, we got some good spots here and there for where price structure was that I got in. That's kind of where we're at. We were set, balance, profit, drawdown, obviously 12% and 3%. So not the best, but within the standards. I think we're still looking in a good spot here. And lastly, we can go to the FTMO challenge. This is the current challenge account that I have. I completed it in 2 days. You know, the profitability is nowhere near as good, but it's the part of the plan that we have. But if we look at the profit factor, we got 1.8, and on the other on the FTMO site, the risk reward return was about 2.2. So that's kind of where we're at. Here we're looking here, kind of looking at, you know, lots of things that are going on here, and yeah, I mean, up 20% history wise, not the best, but just kind of take a peek at that. You know, also let's look at the summary report. We could take so open trades right there. So right now 20,000 pips in gold. I mean, come on, that's pretty crazy. 67. That's why I'm telling you, I call myself the gold sniper or the gold goat. With that being said, this year up 20%, 20,000, you know, 43,000 pips. So some good stuff. So if interested, you know, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Maybe I can kind of enlighten us a little bit more about gold and how I go about trading gold, my interpretation, how I treat the market, whatnot. But other than that, I think that's it for today. And you know, maybe more videos will come out. But other than that, you know, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and let's get at it. Let's trade this. You know, if maybe I can enlighten you on possibly looking into gold and what gold can provide for you. You know, obviously this is the purple trading technical 101 leverage. So let me know, you know, comment below. Thanks.